dash of milk. It actually has cinnamon in it.
Oh, I like cinnamon.
We'll just add a drop because Auntie doesn't follow the rules sometimes and does what she wants. All right, go ahead and mix. Go ahead. I know you want to add sugar. So sweet. They really smell like the sugar cookie though, for real.
Good taste. It tastes good.
It tastes good. It really does though.
No, thank you.
But I'm gonna send y'all back with your mom and they really sad. What is wrong? Huh? I said I'm gonna send y'all back with your mama and you're gonna be bouncing off the wall.
Bouncing off the wall? What do you mean by that?
It's just a saying that people say when your kids eat a lot of sugar, it makes y'all hyper and stuff.
Can we go downstairs and wash?
No.
No, we're making the cookies.
For the break.
Yeah, the break is almost. I love you, Chase. You're wrong. We're gonna have a 20-minute break and then we'll come back to resume to eat them, okay?
Okay.